We clear the data. Sorry, I've got a call. So data solution. Stop the camera and try to open it again. So it opens the front camera. So we go to here. Sorry, manual. So we can change. So we see when we change to the other camera. The camera needs not available. The camera error. Camera not available. Okay. We go to change. Nothing work. So I have to send it back, or that the seller send me another one, a working one. Thanks guys. I did a full test yesterday. I just wanted to show you how to replace the camera. I did full wipe system for data, for the system data, for everything, but it's not working. So don't think that it will work. Okay.